The ibis Styles London Excel is opposite the Excel Exhibition Centre and adjacent to the Custom House DLR Station. The O2 Arena can be reached in 20 minutes by public transport. Each bedroom has an ensuite power shower, a satellite TV and coffee making facilities. The apartments feature a lounge area with a large LCD TV and a dining area with table and chairs. They also have a modern kitchen with a refrigerator and a microwave. The ibis Styles has a breakfast room, a café serving baguettes and coffee, a restaurant and a traditional English pub serving drinks and food. Guests can enjoy a continental breakfast in the morning. London City Airport is a 10-minute journey, either by car or by Docklands Light Railway. The Emirates Air Line cable car is within 5 minutes by public transport and offers a panoramic view of the area and River Thames. Do you like an offer? Please follow the link in description or on the video to view the details.